Good evening. I'm your Assistant Chief Weather Forecaster, Elizabeth Myers. Taking a look outside that Cooper Science Cam, we are seeing those clouds fill up all across Ball State's campus as we see those storms start to move into our viewing area. We're in a severe thunderstorm watch until 11 p.m. this evening, but those temperatures are still sitting rather warm across the board. 77 in Indianapolis, 82 in Lafayette, and 79 down in Shelbyville. Still sitting at the 80s here in Muncie, 81 in Muncie, 77 in Marion, and 68 down in Newcastle. We did reach our record warmth and above that, actually. 84 was today's high. Our record high is set back in 2024 was 82, so we beat that by 2 degrees today. Tonight will cool down just a little bit, but not by much. Mostly cloudy conditions as that storm starts to move out of our viewing area this evening. 67 degrees will be that low. South-southwest winds coming in at 10 miles an hour, but gusting up to 25 miles an hour. Now, as you're heading out that door tomorrow morning, definitely going to want that raincoat and that umbrella. It's going to rain all throughout the day. 69 degrees at 8 a.m., 76 by noon, and by 5 p.m., 79 degrees. Again, those lingering showers all throughout the day with those winds coming in at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. As also you want to stay weather aware tomorrow, we are in that 1 out of 5 marginal risk tomorrow for that severe threat, and that really is just indicating rain and possible thunderstorms all throughout the day and those heavier wind gusts as well. And so I mentioned that heavier wind gusts, we're gusting up to 24 miles an hour for that morning commute, and then by the later evening hours we're seeing about 32 mile an hour wind gusts, and then for that morning commute on Thursday it's the same story. We're seeing 26 mile an hour wind gusts, and then this does start to see some relief, and by Friday morning early hours getting down to those single digits. Let's map out that rain for tomorrow. I mentioned that morning commute, we're going to see that rain and all throughout the day. So let's map that out here. Wednesday at 8 a.m. we're seeing that more heavier rainfall, and then we see again that sticks around for noon, and then even by 5 p.m. we aren't seeing much relief. We're seeing still more of that rainfall for us, and then that just carries on all throughout until Thursday 11 a.m. We're seeing that starting to get out of our viewing area, and then it pushes in more by Thursday evening, and then we start to see those clear skies for Friday early hours, but that doesn't stick around for long because we start to see those lingering clouds all throughout Friday, and then another system comes in for the weekend. For Saturday we start to see more of that rainfall. Now let's see what those rain chances really are. 60% chance on Wednesday, 80 on Thursday. Again, we see those clear, cloudier skies on Friday, so 0%, 80% on Saturday, and then we start to see those rain chances move out by Sunday, leaving us with a 0% on Sunday. But as that rain moves in, it does cool off our temperatures on Saturday into Sunday. So Monday, we had 81 degrees. It was warm for us, and we saw the warm temperatures carry on all throughout. But on Sunday, we're going to cool down to 53 degrees. Quite the weather whiplash we have there, but that won't last for very long. We see we're in the above average for the next 6 to 10 days. We're really seeing that we're warming up after that cool down. So let's see, 60% chance on Wednesday, 80 on Thursday of those rain chances. Friday, 80 degrees. On Saturday, we see 72 degrees, cooling us down for Sunday to 53 degrees, windier conditions. Monday, we're warming back up, 57, and we start to see those 70s hit our forecast once again on Tuesday. For more information, follow us at NLI Weather.